Hi all! In this video, we are going to discuss about the few things we have to keep in mind while we are doing admission procedures and documentation for MBBS abroad. Here, we are cracking a step-by-step approach for managing student applications and ensuring smooth admissions. Let's look into the admission steps. First one is research. Thoroughly research the universities that offer MBBS and compare them based on the fees, quality, ranking and reviews. Then comes the application submission. Complete the necessary documentation and submit the required forms. Some universities might require entrance exams while others may admit based on the marks. Final and the important one, the admission letter. After submission and acceptance, the university will send the admission letter which is required for the visa applications. Then comes the essential documents. Under that, the first one is educational documents such as transcripts, certificates and the proof of eligibility. Second one is personal documents, passports, photographs and birth certificate. After that, the medical documentation, a health checkup report including vaccinations and medical fitness certificates. Then financial documents, proof of funds such as bank statements, affidavits and the sponsor letters. Here comes the last step of the admission procedure, the visa process. Consultants must guide students in applying for student visas and ensure they have the necessary documentation including an invitation letter from the university and proof of funds. Thank you, and that's all for the video.